I really don't like silicone implants, and the second version will be fat transfer to my breast, but I don't have fat on me. So yeah, I've seen patients done with the liquid implant and looks natural, and this is what I'm looking for, 100% natural. No, again, the main reason for doing this procedure, it's exclusively, almost exclusively, for my dresses to fit better. Well, for sure, my dresses will look amazing on me after this procedure, and I can't wait to see it. It's almost no recovery time, no downtime. Well, I know it's minimally invasive. The procedure is not like a normal breast implant, like with full anesthesia and things like that. Almost no downtime, because I saw my friend and I watch it every day till the day she did the procedure. She was a normal woman. She joined the work, the job she has. No downtime, and for me it's perfect.